Hello, and welcome to Module 1 of our Excel course for Early Childhood Development teachers. In this module, we'll introduce you to Microsoft Excel and how you can use it in your classroom for teaching and learning. Specifically, we'll focus on how to create a spreadsheet that tracks the height, weight, and vaccinations of an individual child based on the Road to Health booklet. Whether you're looking to simplify your administrative tasks, monitor learners' health records, or bring interactive activities to your class, Excel can be an incredibly helpful tool. By the end of this module, you'll understand what Excel is and how it can benefit you and your learners. Let's get started. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to organize, analyze, and store data tables. Think of it as an electronic notebook that can perform calculations and organize information efficiently. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math expert to use Excel. It's all about how you arrange information, and the software does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine a table where each column represents important health indicators like height, weight, and vaccination dates for a child. Excel helps you manage all that information in one place, making it easy to update and review. How can Excel be used for teaching and learning? Tracking health records. Excel is excellent for keeping track of important health information for each child. For example, you can create a spreadsheet to record a child's height, weight, and vaccination history as outlined in the Road to Health booklet. Creating the spreadsheet. Set up columns for date, age, height, weight, vaccines administered. Rows. Each row will represent a different date when measurements were taken or vaccines were given. Benefits. Easily monitor the child's growth over time. Ensure vaccinations are up to date according to the schedule. Excel makes it simple to record and analyze a child's growth patterns. Enter the child's height and weight at regular intervals, such as monthly or quarterly. Use Excel formulas to calculate the difference in height and weight between measurements. Facilitating communication with parents and healthcare providers. Excel allows you to share important health information easily. Sharing spreadsheets. Print or email the health tracking spreadsheet to parents. Collaborate with healthcare providers by sharing the file for their input. Creating reports. Generate summary reports of the child's growth and vaccination history. Benefits. Enhances communication between teachers, parents, and healthcare professionals. Promotes a team approach to the child's well-being. Educational activities. Excel isn't just for record keeping. It can also be an educational tool. Use the child's growth data to introduce basic math concepts like addition and subtraction. Create simple graphs to show the child how they are growing. This can make learning about health and the body more engaging. To sum up, Microsoft Excel is more than just a tool for numbers. It's a versatile program that can help you organize important health information, monitor a child's growth and vaccination schedule, communicate effectively with parents and healthcare providers, enhance learning through interactive activities. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into how to navigate Excel's interface and start creating your first spreadsheet to track a child's height, weight, and vaccinations based on the Road to Health booklet. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to guiding you through this exciting journey with Excel.